What's going on? Cole here with another episode of Cole's Common Questions. Today's question is all about the brand new module in AIMC and AIMC CE 2021. Blur tool. It's here, guys. So let's go ahead. Let's jump into my computer and see exactly how you can access the brand new module. So I'm at getinsights.org, currently logged into my account. I'm going to go ahead and click Actionable Academy and click Go to Academy. It's then going to bring me into all of my current courses, and you can see that I've passed AIMC, so I'm going to click Review. I'm then brought into AIMC itself, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom for Module 23, Blur Tool. If you go to the right side, you can click Start, and I'm brought into the module itself. And guys, that is exactly how you access your brand new module, Blur Tool. If you have any other questions for me here at Cole's Common Questions, go ahead, leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'd be happy to answer it for you. Catch you in the next one.